Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Money Train. Do me a favor. Go ahead and jump on that Money Train and click that like button, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little bell. That way you can get notifications for whenever I drop a video. I am not a financial advisor. I do not advise people what to buy and put in their portfolios. My advice would be to do your own due diligence before investing in this market. You can earn up to $20 in Bitcoin by using my link to sign up to Uphold, or you can earn up to $10 in Bitcoin by using my link to purchase a Nano Ledger external crypto wallet. You all can follow me on Twitter at Money Train Pod. That's Twitter at Money Train Pod. I appreciate the follow. I want to send a salute to my newest subscribers. Like I said, I'm trying to get this thing up to 50. Right now, we're pretty close there, but let's go ahead and push this thing up to 60. So click that subscribe button, subscribe, click that like button. Clicking the like button really helps this channel out, and I appreciate it. And I want to send a salute to my newest subscriber, Next Level Crypto. I appreciate the subscription. Good news regarding the recession in this country. ALGO is surging. Let's talk about it. On that note, let's get to the money. So let's get to it. I hope everybody's out there safe out there. There's been a lot of ice rain, a lot of cold rain, some snow, really icy roads. Been a lot of accidents that's happening around the country. So I really hope everybody out there is safe. I even stepped out there and fell on my back earlier today, but I'm good. I'm glad I didn't hurt myself. But let's get right to it. As you can see, when I click on to this site right here, I'll like to keep up what's going on with the market and see what's going on in the country. And one of the things we have all been concerned about, are we going to hit a recession, which kind of put this market in where it's at right now, because we've been on the fringe of this recession thing for like some months, especially coming out of 2022. But as you can see, you read into this article, recession may not come after all. Economists say recession may not come after all. Like I said, we've been seeing some good signs in the market. Been a little bit of a bull run on a lot of assets. We're still not where we want to be as investors or retail investors, or there's different levels when it comes to investing. So we're still not there yet. As recession forecasts have grown dire in recent months, they face one complication: strong economic data. And you can go down through this article right here. The U.S. showed robust job growth last month, defying expectations of a slowdown and keeping the unemployment rate at a near historic low at 3.6%. And one of the things they have to do is actually slow down this economy, and they started raising up interest rates, which the country actually needed, because if you got everybody with money in their hand, they're going out to spend all this money on things that depreciate over time, this country will actually sink. So you have to spend money on things that's going to help the country grow. And interest rate is one of those things that actually slows down the economy, and then you can have some type of growth once you slow it down. So you have to slow down people from just going out there just spending all this money on things that don't grow in value over time. But the trend raises the question of whether the U.S. could avoid a recession altogether. In a sense, the answer is an unequivocal no. Economists told ABC News, of course, this article is from ABC News, ultimately a recession is inevitable. This is what they were predicting, since it makes up a natural part of an economic cycle market by alternating periods of growth and contraction. Yeah, the market, that's one thing about the market. It does this all the time. So every now and then you're going to have some big differences that goes on in the market. But on a regular basis, the market is always doing this. But the continued strength of the economy meaningfully challenges the expectations that a recession will come to pass anytime soon. A robust hiring and healthy household and business balance sheets provide a buffer for a potential slowdown. They added. That's what we're looking for, that slowdown. And then you can go down into this article right here. They talk about what's going on with inflation right now, supply and demand, which is one of the things that caused some disruptions in this country. And we all know about the interest rates, but you can go to this article and get some updates on that or other articles. But this is a good sign to me. This is good news. This is from a few days ago. Another story I wanted to get to was Algorand. Algorand. And like I said, I wanted to get into talking about more stuff I have in my portfolio. And Algorand is one of those assets I have in my portfolio. So I'm always down with the XLM and other things that's in my portfolio. But today is about Algorand. As you can see right here, from Investing Q, Algorand price surges as crypto industry's bullish trend continues. And that was on yesterday. And you can see the price forecast. You can go into this article right here. It's from Investing Q. And if you want to know more about Algorand, it's a lot like XLM. It's a lot like Ethereum. It runs its own blockchain. Excuse me. But let's go. We've got a couple of websites you can actually look at. It's all about doing your due diligence. We're looking into these assets. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not advising people to actually go out and run and buy Algorand. That's just not a good idea to just hear something and just run and go buy it. You know, when I look at something, I'm at least taking a couple of weeks on it, probably a month or so. You know, I want to do my due diligence and look all the way around this asset. But this is one that I talked about on other videos, and I'm thinking about getting into building a project myself, possibly a meme coin or a fungible coin. I really got some goals, and that's why I invite you all to actually use my link to sign up to Uphold. Help me build funds to get these projects off the ground, building it up organically, just like I'm doing this channel, just like I'm doing my Twitter page. I'm also trying to get in the Clubhouse, but I got to get around to it. Like I said, you can build your own projects on Algorand or ALGO. That's the symbol right here. You can build on Algorand. Click on that. It'll take you here. DeFi at global scale. Build the filter on Algorand. Get started with Algorand. Like I said, they got other websites. Right here, you see they big on the ecosystem. We always talk about the ecosystem, which is very important in the crypto space. So you want a good ecosystem. Another website they have up, Algorand Foundation, the world's most scalable blockchain ecosystem. Like I said, you can click right here and get started. It's something I'm really doing a lot of research on. You can click that and get started. Build applications, dApps, create NFTs. Algorand got a lot of stuff going on. Then you can go over to Twitter and look them up on Twitter. Got the Algorand Foundation. This is another, I heard this interview earlier where it's talk right here, Bermuda, India, Saudi Arabia, just a few of the places where MyPay Corp is disrupting healthcare with Algorand. And you can see right here where it says they will be distributing 100 million healthcare NFTs on Algorand. You can go come back here and go to Twitter right here and listen to the interview right here. I'm not going to play it right now. I want to go ahead and follow this channel right here. And like I said, you can follow me on Twitter. And I actually picked up a follower on Twitter. Like I said, I'm building this Twitter page up organically. I got 3 followers on there. That's super. I appreciate it. You all can follow me right there. I put out a lot of tweets and more information actually on Twitter. You can go there and follow Algorand on Twitter. They got a couple of different pages on there. They're also on Reddit. I'm not on Reddit myself. I do have a Reddit, but One of the things you hear about Reddit, there's a lot of bots on Reddit. But if you're into Reddit, you can actually follow them on Reddit as well. They put out a lot of information over there. And of course, I want to look at the price of Algorand. Let's check out Algorand. Let's look at the price. ALGO is the symbol. I put the wrong thing in there. Geo Algorand. As you see, it's going for 25 cents right here. I'm not going to go too much into the chart, but if you look right here, so you got a lot of side action right here. Even though it's like look up and down, up and down, up and down, it's almost some consolidation. When you have a little bit of consolidation, either the chart is going to go up and down, and in this case, you see it's going upward. But again, we still in the first quarter of this year. We just hitting the second month. And I think that people is ready to get to investing. So as long as the economy is slowing down, they're not constantly raising interest rates, there's some good signs. We're ready to do some business. Smash that like button and click that subscribe button. So I just wanted to come on here today and talk about Algorand and show the good news that the country may not go to a recession after all. On that note, I want to thank you for joining me. Everybody out there, stay positive, keep your head up, and one love.